Guys, welcome. I am Pramod from Wisdom Quest Learning Resources. Today you will be seeing how you should log in once you receive a mail from Wisdom Quest admin. Okay, so for that I am showing you how to log in. So once we send you the credentials, that is your profile has been created in our database, you will receive a mail in your mail ID that you have given to us from Wisdom Quest. Okay, saying that, just clicked it, saying that hi Pramod, a new account has been created for you at Wisdom Quest and you have been issued with a temporary password. Okay, and your current login information is username will be your email ID what you have given to us. Password is generated automatically by us. Now what you should do is, again here we have given you the URL where you should go and log in. Now in your mail, once you open this mail, once you have read all these through, here instead of Pramod you will be getting your name, whatever your name is, and the matter will be same except for the password. You should click this lms.wisdomquest.in. Once you click that, it will open up in a new window asking for username and password. The username you just copy paste from what you have received a mail from Wisdom Quest, copy paste here username, or if you know you just type it down. Password, just copy paste the password, which is very important. Take the password which is after colon here. Okay, take those characters and then copy paste. Don't try to type it, because when you type it you cannot understand the difference between 0 and n and @ and o or something like that. So just copy from where you should copy, after the colon. Okay, copy here, I have already copied it, just say login. Okay, once you enter into this, it will immediately ask you to change your password, because the password that is given to you is just a one-time password OTP which you will be needing for first time signing in. That's it, because the password is very complex, it will not be able to, you will not be able to remember it. Now what you should do, the first one, it will asking for the current password which you have already copy pasted. Just again paste it. New password, for the new password it should have at least 8 characters, at least 1 digit, at least 1 lowercase, 1 uppercase, and at least 1 alphanumeric character such as this. So I am putting 1 uppercase and all lower. You can have your own password. Okay, with these details, don't forget that password. Okay, now again you should type the new password whatever you have given and then say save changes. Okay, so you should follow these rules: 1 digit, 1 lowercase, 1 uppercase, and 1 of special characters, but it should have 8 characters. Okay, so just say save changes. From the next time onwards you should use the changed password. It says password has been changed. Now continue. This is where your dashboard appears like this. Okay, now when you immediately enter, it will ask you to, it will take you to a root tour of the dashboard. Your dashboard has many features to help you easily access the information most important to you. So you take this tour, just click on next. It will show you different things that are there on the dashboard. Okay, just read it at your free time. Okay, now I will be skipping it, just read it at your free time. Okay, I am just ending the tour, you just read it. Now what will happen is that once you have this dashboard ready, under my courses you will be having the course. Okay, the name of the course that you have actually paid the fee for, that particular thing will be attached here automatically. If you are not able to see under this dashboard and under my courses, you will be seeing it in course overview. So there are two ways how you can view the course. One is under dashboard under my courses. Second one is when you just, this is how it looks. when you just scroll down, it will be having course overview, and there will be again ISEP Dhanush here. Okay. Now don't worry about this enrollment code. Don't do anything in this enrollment code. There is only one activity that you should do. Either click here in the dashboard under my courses on ISEP Dhanush, or if it is not visible for some reasons, then scroll down, come here and then click this course overview. Any of these things are fine. Then immediately you will be taken to the course. Okay, this is the course of ISEP Dhanush. Now again you can have the tour here. I am ending the tour here. Now whatever is in this particular icon, that is a video. Okay, now the topic will be here, introduction to the course, and the mentor Mrs. Tulsi Bai. Tulsi Bai is the person who is delivering you the mathematics course. Okay, now whatever the icon is like this, just press it. Once you press that icon, okay, it will take little bit of time to load depending on the net facility, and here the video will come like this, and just say play, the video will be played. Okay, if you want to have maximize the video size, just click on this. Okay, enter full screen, then click on this, it will be having full screen mode. Okay, so this is how you can view videos. Once this video is viewed, just come down. This is the next video that you are going to view. Once I click this, it will be taking you to the next video. Like that you can navigate through videos. Second video, then the course syllabus is the third video, or you can again come back to here and then click on this, again the same motivation for developing online videos, then the course syllabus. Both are same, whichever way you prefer. You can navigate to the videos from this left hand things, or you can navigate to the videos through the video, this one also. Okay, now these are all the videos. Okay, I'll come to clarification forum sometime afterwards. Now there is one more thing that you need to understand is about the assessments. So there are two things that I have given. One is the practice, second one is the assessment. It will be in green color. Whichever is in green color, that means those are exams. Okay, tests. So again there is two things, one is the practice exams and one is assessments. The difference is in the practice exam, the exam is not timed, that means you will not be having any time, but assessments exam will have time. So I'll just show it. So once you press this, okay, you will go here. Okay, just say, you can say attempt quiz now. Okay, once you say attempt quiz now, okay, whatever you will be seeing, you will not be having a time there. Okay, so if I click this one, for example, let us say, you will be taking up to this. See, there is no time here. Okay, there is no time. So you can finish this in whatever time you can have. Then say, okay, just select the options whichever you feel is necessary. Okay, just say next page. Okay, it will take you to the second question. Click option whatever is necessary, then say next page. Likewise, once you have done all the things, this will be changing the color. If nothing is attempted, this will be in this. If you attempt, this will change the color. Once everything is done, just say finish. Okay, scroll down, submit all and finish. Okay, that's it. Once you say submit all and finish, again here it will show the answers. Whatever answer is right, whatever answer is wrong, it will show you the answers whichever you have attempted. Okay, like this, your answer is incorrect, the correct answer is like this. Just say finish review. That's it. You will be getting marks out of 15. How many marks you have got? This is the grade. Later point of time you can come and review the answers. You cannot be able to attempt the questions. Okay, so just say back to the course. You will be going back to the course. Then what you can do is that, in assessments you will be having time here. See, time limit is 25 minutes. Okay, earlier in practice test you have not got this. The only difference is that remaining all is same to same. Okay, so before doing assessments, do the practice test, understand what is the question, and also see what answer is right, what answer is wrong. If you have done wrong, go back to the course, read the videos again and again, then go for assessments. Okay.